Merry fucking finals week, everyone. Get your sorry asses up and start studying, because you got an exam tomorrow.
Stand up now and face the sun. Won't hide my tail or turn and run. It's time to do what must be done. Be a king when kingdom comes. Well, you can tell everybody.
Should you really be using all that seasoning?
Motherfucker, if you can't smell what I'm cooking from the front door, there ain't enough motherfucking seasoning.
And Judas is the demon I cling to. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling too.
Just a couple more mental breakdowns until Christmas. Exciting.
I was gonna play a song until this happened.
What?
Another art piece has been destroyed,
Oh no.
and I'm pissed about it. Let me explain.
Fucking kidding me?
This time the motherfuckers ruined an Andy Warhol Campbell soup piece. Which they did not destroy with soup. That's what I'm mad about. You had the perfect opportunity and they ruined it. My day's been ruined. Not even soup!
Well, Apple, thanks to you, today's the day I become an electrician. Or die.
Peter, how are you doing that?
I don't know, Lois. I'm scared.
I was a C-section, you bitch!
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Oh, hey, it's the dehydrated queer person who refuses to express any of their needs because they're too afraid they're bothering everyone. So, are you good right now? Do you need anything?
Darkness imprisoning me. All that
Do the tomato juice and the other mixture, 2 shots of vodka. And stir.
Man, I hate this country sometimes, bro. I can't fucking stay. Red, white, and blue, motherfucker. These colors don't run, bitch. USA, USA, USA.
Bring the action.
Remember, if you can't be the sharpest tool in the shed, you can always be the hoe.
I have gone through great lengths in order to put this outfit together, and I want to show it off to the world. However, I'm not a cool teen, and I don't know what TikTok dances are fun or trending. As such, we will now take a quiet moment of contemplation to appreciate my efforts before you continue with your scrolling endeavors. Thank you. You may carry on.
I come downstairs this morning. The entire contents of my wallet is just laid out on the kitchen counter, oh so neatly. And I automatically think, oh my god, they found my drug money. And then I realize I don't do drugs. And then I think, well, what did I do? And then I realize I didn't do anything. Somebody just put my wallet through the wash, and I have PTSD.
Yellow. Purple. 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 Purple.
Bust out your pussy this summer at Kohl's. Take 50% off on all spring items and shake that ass for some Kohl's cash this summer at Kohl's.
This Ryanair flight is up in arms. We're all from London, yeah, going back to London. It's landing in Manchester.
Some dirty weather.
Some dirty weather.
Roscoff, no. This is hell and horror.
Pack of sardines, we cannot escape, we cannot get out. We can't escape.